How to add animation in Wix 2025. In this video, we're going to be talking about Wix and how you're going to be adding an animation in it in the easiest way. So to do this for yourself, what you're going to be doing is you're going to come over to your Wix editor and you're going to add any element in your design. Okay. So let's say I'm going to go ahead and add an image, or let's go ahead and add this over here, right? Let's say I'm going to add this. Okay. This is a social bar and I want this to animate as we come into the website. All right. So I'm going to go on animation and effects and I'm going to go ahead and blur it in like that. And then we're going to add just one more element just to show you the different animations that you can actually add at one time. So let's say I'm going to add this picture over here right above it. And I'm going to animate this picture as well. So let's say we're going to go ahead and make this picture. Let's go with something better. I'd say this, yeah, that works. And or you can even have it bounce, you can have it winked. I'm gonna have it slide in. Okay. So once we do that, let's go ahead and actually see the preview. So once our website loads in, look at that. So this blurs in and that pops in. So that is pretty much how you can add an animation in Wix in the easiest way. Thank you for watching till the end, and I'll see all of you next time. Have a great day. Goodbye.